Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to edit and personalize my Let's Make a Splash water park birthday invitation that's available in my Zazzle shop. The link to this product is down below. But let's dive on in. So it's really simple. Zazzle has changed the way that you edit a little bit now on some products, maybe not all, and maybe not depending on your settings. I don't know how they implement their changes. But to personalize this design, what you'll do is click on this big blue personalize this design button. A pop-up may appear, or you may be taken to this screen where you can erase the pre-filled text on the left-hand side to change the image on the right. So we'll go ahead and do that. Once you're finished entering your details to this invitation, what you can do is you can customize it further by clicking on the Customize with Design Editor button located underneath the invitation on the right-hand side of your screen. That will take you to the designer page, which might take a second to load if your internet's slow like mine is apparently. And then you'll want to go ahead and personalize some of that text. So what we're going to do in this example is we're going to click on the name Sam. We're going to move over to the right-hand side of the screen and click the color box that is listed. I'm going to scroll down until I see the eyedropper tool. I'll click on that and then move over to the red, assuming that Sam likes the color red. Then for the date of the party, I'm going to change that to a darker blue. And I can use the eyedropper tool to use one of the colors here as well, but I'm going to use custom color picker this time. And I'm going to move over until I see that little slider. And I'm going to move the little slider dot down just to make it a little bit darker. Once you're finished making the changes that you want to with this invitation, click the green Done button at the top right-hand side of your screen, and that'll take you back to where you're personalizing the design. Next, you can select this little teeny tiny text that says Continue to Back, or you can select Back to change nothing on the back. It's just going to show you the back of the invitation. I don't have anything to personalize here. Then you'll select options, and this is where you can change the format that you want. So you can do printed plus an instant download, or just simply an instant download. And that'll be like the option that gives you the image that you can text to your friends. Once you've selected all of that, the next screen would be review. You can either scroll down to click continue to review or select it from the top. And that'll show you anything that might need changed or edited. Once again, it tells you to review your names, date, addresses, make sure everything is visible. And then you can go ahead and click the yellow add to cart button. A pop-up will appear showing that the item was added to your cart, and now you can proceed with the checkout process by clicking the View Cart and Checkout button on that pop-up. I hope that this tutorial helped with editing your invitations with me. If you have questions or if you need help, let me know in the comments below and I will get back to you right away. I do want to ask that you take a quick second of your time to either liking this video or subscribing to my channel. It would truly mean the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day.